Okay, write a function rule. The function rule is going to be y equals mx plus b. Okay, if you look at this table, right here is the y-intercept. This is our b. So this is going to be a piece of cake. Now then we need to find the slope, and I'm going to use these two order pairs to get my slope. So my slope is y minus y over x minus x. So right here I'm going to find my slope. Start with the two minuses, and I'm going to do 17 minus 9 over 8 minus 4. That would be 8 over 2, which is equal to 4. So this is my m, isn't it? So my b is 1, my m is 4. I'm going to write down y equals 4x plus 1. That is the function rule. And if you look at it, 4 times 4 is 16. I'm sorry, this is 8 divided by 4. I messed up. This should be 2. So this should be 2. So 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 1 is 17. So the function rule generates your y's. Okay, over here, this is, remember on this one we had a 0. We do not have a 0 here. We could easily find the 0. We put a 0 here. Notice 3 and 4 doesn't skip. So what's the difference between 26 and 35? We're adding 9, aren't we? So to go up, we'll subtract 9. That means this number right here would be negative 1. Okay, so 0 would be a negative 1. Okay, and I'll show you another way to find that in a minute. Now then, we're going to get our slope. So minus minus 35 minus 26 over 4 minus 3. Notice that my slope is 9, isn't it? That's going to be my m. Now then, if I put y equal mx plus b, I'm going to use my x right here and my y right here. So my y is 35 equals my m is 9, my x is 4, and I don't know what b is. It should end up being a negative 1. So 35 equals 9 times 4 is 36 plus b. Now I can solve for b, can I? I'm going to subtract 36. I'll get negative 1 equals b, which is exactly what I got when I generated it from the table. So my function rule will be y equals 9x minus 1. So y equals 9x minus 1. If you multiply your x by 9 and subtract 1, you should get your y. So 9 times 1 is 9, minus 1 is 8. 9 times 3 is 27, minus 1 is 26. 4 times 9 is 36, minus 1 is 35. That checks, doesn't it?